Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Sister J's World. Thank you all so much for the love and support. Today I am making sea moss and flaxseed gel. Come along with me. Let I show you how I make this easy and simple recipe.
You may see no man, where you the voice, you know say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word.
This is what the sea moss look like. I bought this one at the store, at the international store. In Jamaica, this is known to us as Irish moss. See, look at it, guys. So I'm just gonna take some out. I'm not using all. And I'm gonna make my sea moss gel, Irish moss gel. And I'm gonna wash this off nicely. And as I said, we're doing Irish moss and flaxseed. Also in Jamaica, we call it linseed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off nicely and properly. Because guys, it's a lot of salt on this thing. Okay. So I'm gonna wash this a lot of different times. Here I'm squeezing lime. Because guys, this smells just like fish. Because yes, it's from the sea. I guess that's why it's named sea moss. Yeah. And I'm gonna wash it several times before putting it to soak. And as you can see, the color start to change, have a lighter color while washing. And guys, sea moss, Irish moss as we call it, it have a lot of health benefits. Here are some of the benefits that we get from sea moss, and I'll put it right here on the screen.
You may see no man, where you the voice, you know say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word. Chat boss, Trap City, hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J.
So those are some of the health benefits of sea moss. Okay, so let me continue to rinse this off properly. And I'm gonna do this until it's clean. And see, I'm catching some water and this. And guys, look at this sea moss. And I'm gonna show you the one before. And you can do some comparison. So now I'm gonna have my Irish moss soak overnight. And also the linseed or flaxseed, and then we're gonna put them to boil. So this is what the Irish moss look like overnight, and guys, you can see how big they get, and the water have some thickening to it. So I can't throw away that water because know that throw away the strength, you know. When it comes to Irish moss, there is health benefits for male and female. Please do your research. When it comes to flaxseed, otherwise known as linseed, guys, great health benefits. I love my flaxseed in my smoothie. So me always, I do my flaxseed. But here's some health benefits of flaxseed on the screen, you know, and as always I said, please do your diligent research, you know. I just eat food, talk about food, and cook food. All right, I didn't study it. So the pot of bubble right here with the linseed and the flaxseed, you know. So everything in the pot. Yes. So you know, you boil out until the sea moss disappear. You're still going to see the flaxseed. So even when straining, I still going to have a few of the flaxseed in there, but that's no big deal. Yes. And gotta sit this to cool. And then I'm just gonna put the wrap over it and put it in the refrigerator. And then the sea moss gel will form. And you just put it in your storage container. And whenever time you're gonna blend and make your mix up, whether your smoothie or your juice or your punch, you just go ahead and scoop it out, you know. Sea moss or Irish moss, when you buy the gel, is very expensive, but you can utilize and make your own at home. It's easy and simple to do that. So after sitting this in the refrigerator overnight, this is what the flaxseed and sea moss gel looks like. You can go ahead and make your smoothie, your juice, your punch, anything you want to make with this, as I mentioned. Just make your flaxseed and sea moss and put it away. And yes, when you're ready, you have your gel to do whatever you want to do with it. And did you know that sea moss is also good for the skin? Yes, it can also make a face mask. Please do your research. I thank you so much for watching. If you find this video interesting, please share it out with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Blessings to all and thanks for making it Sister J's World. Thanks for watching.